Welcome to Awesome Good. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about a set comprehension. Set comprehension is similar to list comprehension. The only difference is that it runs a set and not a list. Instead of a square bracket, set comprehension uses curly brackets. This is because sets are enclosed in curly brackets. We can use set comprehension on an iterable including list, tuple, set, etc. If we have a list of uppercase strings and we want to convert them into lowercase strings and remove duplicate, we can use set comprehension. Since sets are not order, the order of the items in the iterable will be changed. Sets do not allow duplicates. So let's see if we have a list here. The name of animals in upper cases. And duplicate cat. And now we're going to have our set 1. This will be animal dot lower for animal in our list 1, and at the end we are just going to print the set and we can run our script. So here is the output. We can see we don't have a cat twice because the duplicate was removed. Sets do not allow duplicates. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Good. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.